This is a dinosaur stud farm, and it was made as a steampunk building for the Bassett-Lowke range, made by Hornby. Now, it was originally made from one of their other buildings, so it's a fairly standard looking building at first, but then I've added some details to it. If you look carefully, you can see there are details here. They're painted the same colour as the brick, so they don't always stand out on photographs, but the details are there, so you could dry brush that and pick them out. Same there. And then there are gears and other adornments to make it stand out as a steampunk item. They're more motifs, but of course what you can do is add details and mechanisms onto these gears, stick them over them so they look like they're more like a piece of machinery. So this is a standard steampunk building, there's nothing wrong with that. And what I'm going to do is detail this one up just to show you how you could, if you want to, embellish it and make it a little more detailed. In fact, what I've decided to do is detail up the tea and urn factory. So I can add some details onto the cogs and gears so that they look more like machinery. This is what, of course, any modeller could do. And I'll put some detail on the roof and just highlight some of the areas that are painted the same colour as the brick. So that one I'll just detail up. These two, Time Travel Holiday Homes and Dinosaur Stud Farm, I'm going to do something a bit more extreme with them. So I'll just take that modelling a stage further. So it shows that you can either use these models as they are, and they're overtly steampunk on a couple of sides, they're gears, and then on the other sides they're more subtle with detailing already on. So you can choose which way around you want to display them, if you want your layout to stand out and shout out steampunk, or if you want it to be a little bit more subtle. And then this one I'm going to modify a little bit more to make some sense out of the cogs and gears so that they look more functional rather than just motifs or embellishments. And then these two I'm going to develop a stage further.